That's me done here at Simon CNC. Thanks for following us so far. Most of the guards are back on now, everything fully tested and functional. Just a few remaining guards to go on here in the new year, and a coolant test just for any leakages. But other than that, all in all, fantastic little job, and we'll see you in the new year.